The impossible today will become possible tomorrow. For centuries, people couldn't imagine how correct this phrase is. Historically, scientific discoveries were a rarity. Therefore, we're incredibly lucky to live in a time where they regularly happen throughout the year. The technological progress nowadays advances so intensely that only a buffoon can be skeptical about opportunities of science to make our life unbelievably better. But can we, humble students, make contribution? Or are we just the audience of scientific advance? Students from our university strive to become highly qualified specialists. Let's talk about some of the most prospective specialties in Murmansk State Technical University.
Oil production and refining play an important role in the economics of our region. There are a lot of hidden gas and oil deposits, and today it is impossible to find them effectively. Students from the Offshore Exploration Department are taught to use modern technologies for detecting such fields. Gazprom company is very interested in employees that graduate from our university.
In the past, there was a problem of the over-exploitation of fish resources. Today, fishermen face also other problem: they cannot get enough fish. Students from the Department of Material Technology and Ship Repair are intended to solve the problem of the deficient amount of vessels and design new, quick and effective ways for construction of ships without quality losses. But we cannot rely on natural resources for a complex of different reasons.
The viable alternative is aquaculture. Developing aquaculture is a great way to boost the local economy. There are plenty of fish and algae species that can be successfully grown in Arctic regions, providing working places and investments to its various spots. Worldwide aquaculture production has now reached more than 50 million tons, up from 2 million in 1950. Therefore, this is a very forward-looking and prosperous industry, in which highly qualified specialists from the biology and aquatic bioresources department will become more and more demanded.
It is well known that there are a lot of workplaces of monotonous work that can be controlled by robotic force. Programming of microcontrollers and resistance of materials are some of the things taught at the Automation and Computer Engineering department. It is possible that in the future all routine jobs will be done by robots and people will be busy with creative work. Unfortunately, it is impossible today, but with the help of our students it's going to be possible tomorrow.
People think that our region is severe, comfortless, harsh to live in. Some say it's impossible to develop a prosperous economy and scientific infrastructure here. And to these people, we say, the impossible today will become possible tomorrow.